Let me grab this real quick because I did tell the community that I would look at QASH. Before I start, I do not like the name because it is very confusing with the Q on everything that they create. And the website is a little clunky. But what I will say is they have a very good outlook, in my opinion. If we go over here, so this is their liquid coin by coin, providing liquidity to the non-liquid crypto economy. So there's essentially three main functions for the QASH token. It can be used to access and utilize all three coin products, and that's with a Q. There's CoinX, which is a fiat onboarding exchange, which is regulated in Japan. I went on there because I was going to see the process of trying to get some cash, and I believe as a United States citizen I can get on there as well. It looked like it was an onboarding platform for any fiat. It looked like it had USD on there, yen, won, euros, all that stuff going. So that's pretty interesting. Also, it can be used on cryptos, which is a crypto-only exchange striving to be an ICO platform. And then lastly, they haven't released this liquid platform yet. This is their last implementation. They're trying to do it Q1 and Q2 of this year. Essentially, a liquid platform is an aggregation of worldwide liquidity into one order book. So the Liquid Platform's World Book offers a multi-market order book that aggregates the orders and prices on world's various liquidity sources into a single highly liquid tradable order book, allowing orders to be placed in the currency of one's choice. So they're saying, this could be huge if it actually works. They're saying essentially you can go on this Liquid platform. It's going to aggregate all the data from Bittrex and Binance and Bitfinex, and you can buy it directly from Liquid. And then you can use Liquid as an offboarding and onboarding platform for all your liquidity needs. No need to remember logins for all these different exchanges. Everything is going to be put into one Liquid platform. Can they do it? I don't know. It'll be interesting. A lot of people think that QASH, with the regulation and the team that they have around them, they have a lot of big name players. Let me scroll down here and find them for you.
And in more important news, rapper 50 Cent accepted some Bitcoin for his 2014 album.
Yeah, I saw that. He's a Bitcoin millionaire now.
And
he said he forgot about taking Bitcoin for
right.
for albums. It was like 700 Bitcoin or something.
They went from 400,000 to 7 to 9 million.
I'm surprised his manager just didn't slip that wallet away and be like, oh, no, that didn't happen.
So shout out to 50.
But all I was saying is they got advisors from PricewaterhouseCoopers, the SoftBank Group. They're formally recognized by the Japanese government, a bunch of different banks. I mean, they got some big name players, the Yahoo Japan over here. So I think this one is going to be very interesting. I actually am going to try to sign up for, let's see what the name of this one is. I think it was CoinX. This one is the one that is fiat onboarding. It has a very similar setup to GDAX. I'm going to sign up over there and just try to buy a few, nothing major, just to see how it works and see how they implement some of these other things. The reason I said I don't like their names is because they just put a Q on everything and it's so confusing. Cryptos with a Q. This is their ICO platform that they're trying to do, so you can trade and liquidate ICO tokens on this. People were really hyped about this, and they do have a very active roadmap. They've been around for a long time. They started in Q1 of 2014, and they met all these launches. So they started with the CoinX, and then they moved to the Cryptos, which is the ICO platform, and then now they're trying to do this World Book Liquid, which would be that's the big question mark. If they can do that, like they're saying, that's pretty big. Because I know even we get PCG clients and stuff that are always asking, how do we liquidate? How do we find fiat assets? How do we do all that? And if they can bring this all into one, that's gonna be a big deal. And the beta is supposed to launch in Q2 of 2008. So we'll see what happens, guys.